Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another Boxycharm unboxing. This month is going to be a little bit different because I have the original regular tier of Boxycharm, but I also have Boxycharm Premium for November. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and compare the two boxes and see how they are and give you my opinions on the premium box. I'm still going to try on as many products as I can from both boxes, but if you guys want to see what I got in the Boxycharm and Boxycharm Premium for November, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start with the regular Boxycharm. This is now a $25 box. So the theme of this box is Stellar for November, and you do still get the sheet in here with all of the values as well as a few coupon codes for different websites. This month, they're giving you a coupon to Dragun Beauty and Natasha Denona. So starting this month, Boxycharm is including complexion packs so that you can go in and let them know what color suits your skin tone. So I was sent a pretty vulgar lightweight concealer, and it looks like the fairest shade would be the one that would work for me, but they're doing this because they will be including complexion products in future boxes, and they want to test out how to get that correct for everyone's different skin tone. So I know it seems like a sample or foil packet kind of thing, but this is not one of the items that is included in the value of the box. So the first item out of my box is a two-piece brush set from the Boxycharm brand, and this is their first branded brush set. It retails for $35. So here they are. They're two little kabukis. I think they would make really good brushes for foundation or cream contour, and I like the matte black handles. I like that they're ovals. They're not really just a regular circular brush. They definitely look like cool brushes. I do have foundation on my face already, so I can't test these out, but I definitely will in the future, and I like the way that these are going to look on my shelves because they're nice and matte black and they're kind of funkier than your typical brush. So next up in the box, we have a pair of Lilly Lashes faux mink lashes. These retail for $25, so it's super crazy that they're in here. This looks like a beautiful style. I'm not sure if this was just meant for Boxycharm, but it's the style CEO. They look absolutely stunning. I can't wait to try these out. I have lash extensions in right now, so I can't put these on, but they do look beautiful, and I personally love getting lashes in the box. I love false lashes. I have a whole false lash drawer, and I just love stocking up on them. I don't think I've tried Lilly Lashes, but I've heard so many good things about them. I'm just a cheapo when it comes to my lashes, and I hate spending a lot of money on them, so I do love that this is $25, which is what you're paying for the box. Now, next up is what everyone was raving about. I did see this online already. This is a Boxycharm exclusive palette from Dominique Cosmetics. It's my first time trying Dominique Cosmetics. This is the Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. It retails for $35, and I will be able to try this out today. This is a really decent sized palette, and the layout is so beautiful. Here's what the palette looks like. It has a nice big mirror. It's very clear. It's nice packaging. It feels sturdy and more expensive than some palettes I've seen in the past. Now, this has some beautiful shades in it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw together a look here. This shade Eternal Light is just calling my name. It's such a beautiful glittery champagne right there on my middle finger. That is stunning. So I haven't really gone full-blown eyeshadow yet with my lash extensions, so bear with me if I am kind of struggling, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to do a little bit of a smoky eye today. I'm gonna start by dipping into the gray shade called Zero Gravity with a small blending brush, and I'm gonna place this in the outer and inner corner of my eye and just blend it around. I think I'm going for a little bit of a halo look, so I'm just gonna blend this as much as I can. This is my first time playing with Dominique Cosmetics. It's effortlessly blending. If you guys have opinions on lash extensions, I want to know how you feel. This was my first time getting them, and I kind of feel torn. Like, I like having them, but I don't like the idea of the amount of upkeep and the cost of upkeep. All right, so just working on matching the other eye. Now that that's pretty much blended, I am going to take my finger and dip into the Eternal Light shade And I'm going to try my best to place this in the middle of my eye, but again, I'm working with the eyelash extension, so bear with me. Ooh, that's such an effortless halo, and I'm so happy with it. I'm literally just slapping that in the middle, letting the glitter kind of fall over the gray, and then just gently blending the edges. I'm going to take some of that Eternal Light shade, and I'm going to put it underneath my lower lash line, just because I love glitter. I love the glitter in this shade. I am really gonna have to try more Dominique cosmetics, you guys, because this is beautiful. Now, I could be wrong, but I don't think there's any mascara in either of the boxes, so I'm gonna pop some mascara on my lower lash line and then finish unboxing this box. All right, so next up in my regular Boxycharm, I have the Kypris. I think that's how you say it, Kypris. Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. This is a $90 serum, you guys. Very expensive luxury skincare product. And you know I love my skincare. Here's what the packaging looks like. It looks like it's a little dropper, and I love serums. I actually just ran out of my Lancome Youth Activating Serum that I put on overnight, so this might have to replace that if I end up liking it. It says it's full of antioxidants, amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals. So it says you can use it as a lightweight hydrator or a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. I typically use my serums at night just because I don't want to have a whole lot of moisture on my face throughout the day, if that makes sense. So I will add any serums to my nighttime routine. Last up in this box is a liquid lipstick from Dose of Colors. These retail for $18, and I look forward to seeing what shade. Oh, you guys, I maybe should have thought about this before I did my eyeshadow. This looks like it's gonna be a deep red, but that's okay. We're just gonna go full on Christmas holiday party vibes in this video. This is the lipstick in the shade Charm, which looks like it's going to be a brick red. I'm a big fan of Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks, and I don't have this one in my collection, so I'm going to go ahead and complete my look with lipstick. Okay, so that was everything out of my $25 Boxycharm. This had a value of $203 this month. So this level of Boxycharm is $25, and you will get over $125 worth of products every single month. You get 5 items in here, and you will be able to choose one of the items. So that is something that Boxycharm is also putting into play. Depending on the level of your box, you will be able to choose, I believe, 1 to 3 items. And in this box, you will be able to lock in 1 item. So that's it for the regular Boxycharm. Now I want to share with you guys what I got in my premium box. Just so you guys do know, Boxycharm sent me the premium box to compare to the original. I don't believe that if you are a subscriber, you could get both. I don't think so. So premium is a much bigger box. I noticed in the mail immediately. It's a much bigger box, and this is also a monthly box. It's not like Boxyluxe that is every 4 months. This is a $35 box, so it's $10 more, and you will get over $175 worth of product. You will get 6 to 7 items, and you will be able to pick one of those items. And I believe the Boxycharm Premium includes more luxury items. So let's dive into this. So as usual, we get the card. It's the same theme, Boxycharm Stellar. So right off the bat, I thought I saw a repeat, which is the Boxycharm brushes, but this is a 5-piece brush set. So the premium box got a 5-piece worth $65. So we have the same 2 foundation brushes. We also have some eyeshadow brushes, and this one might be for concealer. Now I have a full set of these brushes. I do think they're really, really cool, and I think that it's awesome that Boxycharm has their own in-house brand. Next up, we have this huge skincare item. This is from Kopari. This is the Coconut Rose Toner. It retails for $25. The packaging of Kopari is just so cute. So it says, with a quick spritz, this refreshing rose toner tightens pores and restores skin's natural balance. After cleansing, spritz onto a clean face or use as a midday refresh. So I don't want to use this over makeup, but again, I am obsessed with skincare and I love discovering new things in the box. And I know from personal experience that Kopari is in Ulta, and it's one of those brands that it's kind of right in between affordable and kind of higher end, more expensive. So I haven't bought anything yet because, again, quite the cheapo when it comes to spending money. I definitely only smell rose. I don't smell coconut, if you were wondering. So next up, I did not expect to see this brand in the box, but I saw the discount code, so I knew it might be in here. But this is the Dragun Beauty Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion. And I believe this is the concealer product that is like the color correcting concealer. This is a $25 product. Let me pop it open and make sure it is what I think it is. Yes, it is. So I should have maybe not done my foundation before hopping on camera, but this is the color correcting concealer. I've seen this pretty much all over Instagram. This is good for concealing any dark areas on your face. If you have under eye bags, or if you are a man in makeup, you can cover hair with this type of color corrector. I look forward to using this when I get absolutely no sleep and my under eye bags are very blue. Next up in Boxycharm Premium is the Becca Glow Gloss. This is a $22 lip gloss, I believe. This is in the shade Champagne Cream. So here is Champagne Cream. It's a beautiful champagne gold lip gloss. So there's what the Champagne Cream lip gloss looks like. Very, very pretty. Okay, so next up in the box, I really thought I misread the value of this product. This is a QMS Medicosmetics Intensive Eye Care Day and Night Cream. It retails for $150. $150. So this is hands down the most expensive skincare item that I think I own in my collection. I feel like I'm really excited to use this and see. It needs to turn miracles if it's retailing for that price. But yeah, this is meant to rejuvenate, hydrate, and care for sensitive skin around the eyes. Lord help me if I fall in love with this eye cream, because I will not be repurchasing it. But that's crazy that a product of this value is in the box. And last but certainly not least, definitely not least, because I'm most excited for this. This is the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow Palette. This retails for $55. This is so exciting because I love Natasha Denona, but it, again, is one of those brands that I just cannot make myself purchase a lot from the brand because it's so expensive. Here is what the packaging looks like. So I'm trying not to blind you with my ring light, but this is what the inside of the palette looks like. It has some cream bases and it also has some powder products in here. And this is just gonna completely finish my look. It's everything that I needed. I don't know how this is gonna pick up with my brush, but I'm dipping into the cream glow color. And I'm just gonna tap this on the forward portion of my cheek. It certainly has a peachy glow to it, like a peachy gold glow. Guys, I did not expect my look today to give me Christmas realness, but it absolutely is. Okay, so this is giving the cutest glow to the skin, and I feel like it's creating kind of a tacky base for this highlighter to grip to. Then I'm gonna dip into this shade that is called Glow Extreme with my highlighting brush, and I'm just gonna trace where I put that blush. That is really, really pretty. It's definitely giving me like a golden wet skin look. So I love this. I think this is definitely my favorite product out of the Boxycharm Premium. All right, you guys, so this was my Boxycharm Premium for November, and the value was $342, which is absolutely crazy. A lot of that had to do with the $150 eye cream, but I do look forward to trying that. But I loved this, and definitely in the November month's case, which is the first time they offered it, this is well worth the extra $10 in my opinion. I would definitely rather spend the extra $10 and get these luxury products like the Natasha Denona, but also it's kind of like hit or miss because I love the Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. So I would have to look at the website, but maybe that would have been a choice if I could pick that item to come in the premium box. I'm not quite sure. It might have been regular Boxycharm exclusive, so I don't know. I guess you just have to play around on the website and see what is worth it to you. If I could have it my way, I would trade the Dragun Beauty concealer for the Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and then this box would literally be perfect. Alright, so that was it for my November Boxycharm unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed this style of unboxing with the try-on, but also the comparison between the two boxes. Let me know if you like it. Hopefully I will be able to continue doing these comparisons for you guys, but I really loved both tiers of this box. Now, I still have not tried Boxyluxe. It is something that I am very interested in, but I do love these two tiers, and they are a little bit more affordable. But you guys know Boxycharm is my all-time favorite makeup subscription service. So I'm going to leave all of the details down below in case you missed anything or in case I missed anything. I'm also going to leave a link where you guys can sign up. If you do sign up through my link, I do get a small commission from that, just to be transparent. But thank you guys so much for watching and for hanging out with me as always, and hopefully you subscribe so you don't miss out on any future unboxings. I do these every single month. I think I've done them every month for about 3 years now, which is so crazy. But that is all for today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and hopefully I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.